this is the best Photoshop alternative. This is www.photopea.com, and as you can see, going file new, and you can again set width, height, DPI, and you can create, you know, your project right here. I have a couple of projects. Let me just close up this. As you can see, there is unsaved work in a new project PSD. Do you really want to close it? Okay. So it really asks you the same questions as Photoshop, same everything as Photoshop. Basically, you have some differences like this up here, or filter, and now you have a couple of filters only. You don't have that photo filter, and yeah, basically you can create so much with this. Again, you can go to text, font, deja vu, sans loaded. You can type in symmetrics. You can resize it with this, and again, you can, you know, you can play around. When you go to this selection tool, you can actually resize it with this is like Control T in Photoshop. You can now resize it with only clicking on Move tool and now resizing it however you want. Is the same shift is the same thing goes with proportional kind of resizing, going shift and left click and just dragging up here. So you have a lot of options right here. This is the best for those of you guys who don't want to spend too much dollars on, you know, Photoshop and editing softwares and all that. You can do it right here. Again, you have gradients. Text layer must be rasterized, so let me just create new layer and right click rasterize it. Actually, it's already rasterized, so we can, you know, create kind of a really cool effects, as you can see, and you know, you can create so much things right here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you these guys. Again, you can see you have kind of a brush tool. You don't have that really good brush tool. You have, I think, smoothness. I think the smoothness is actually right here. So yeah, basically you can, you know, yeah, you have right here is that kind of a glowing eraser. So anyways guys, I just wanted to show you this. This is a really awesome thing to know. Just because for you content creators, it's really amazing thing to know that you have Photoshop alternative that is exactly the same as Photoshop, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helps a lot. I know again that a lot of you are creating content, so you will need this. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.